In this episode of Inside the Brands, we'll take a look at a Rein Automotive hose connector that started with a suggestion from the CRP Innovation Council. Hello again, I'm Alex Ragucci, Product Manager at CRP Automotive. For the past few years, CRP has sponsored an Innovation Council, a diverse group of industry professionals including shop owners and experienced repair technicians. This group has been an excellent sounding board and has helped educate CRP about the technicians we serve. Their input has even led to development of several new products. For example, this BMW Thermostat hose. Our council members reported a high failure rate in the plastic OE connector, so we created a Rein Automotive brand replacement quick connector for a wide variety of models. It replaces the original plastic connector with a more durable metal unit. We are also working on creating several hoses that will have this metal quick connector pre-installed. It's just another product from a growing line of better than OE parts in the CRP brand lineup. If you have a question about this hose connector or any other Rein Automotive parts, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to hear about problem solver parts like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.